some oil here on the lower receiver. Put it on fire. Put some oil on the sear. Just drip it right in there. That should be good. Okay, this has to be up, and you put it on safe to put it back. Cleaning this inside here. This ejection port seems to work only when you have the bolt open. So it's kind of not quite functional. This is just a little mechanism there. Okay. We're ready to insert this thing. Oops, forgot the charging handle. Excuse me, we're going to take it off camera. I have to edit this out. Okay, put the charging handle back. Then insert it. Okay. Put a little oil over here. Also a little oil on the bottom. You can see where the wear marks are right here. So, very light oil. Okay. Okay. So this should be flush. Goes in. Okay. So now it's flushed. Right. Okay. Put the blast suppressor back. That's what holds the assembly in the upper bolt carrier assembly. You can pretty much hand tighten this thing. Okay, see, I mean, it doesn't close until you have to. You have to hold that bolt open, then it'll close, sort of. kind of for show. You know, some others have had trouble with this. It's not working anymore. Here it goes. Okay. We'll tighten that. Move the camera a little bit. And we're going to put the two back together again. The receiver has this fake bolt open, bolt release, low buffer plastic, and this has to be down. You're holding it. Okay, the two receivers together. This has to be loose in order for the bolts to go in correctly. And this one's notched. Goes in there. The real one. Requires low bang because we didn't screw that tight. Push that in. Mallet. Got it in there. Now we're going to tighten this thing. And once you tighten this thing, these things should be tight. Okay, that's it. Do a function check. You have to hold this, push this finger in there. That holds the bolt open. I wish this thing works better. It would work better. Okay, and then put it on fire. Don't want to release it. This is the rim fire. That's pretty much it.